So, dear students, I have come with the part 3 of bank reconciliation statement. So, here bank reconciliation statement is overcasting and undercasting of entries in the cash book or in the passbook. Now, what do you mean by overcasting and undercasting? See, overcasting is writing a higher value. So, overcasting, see for 100, by mistake they are writing 1000. So, the treatment in the analytical cross is, if it's mentioned that any book is overcast, the amount is overcast, debit side of the passbook. That meaning, see, credit side of the passbook is overcast, meaning we will write that value here in the same column itself. Wherever it is mentioned, if it's credit side of the passbook here, if it's credit side of the cash book here, so that same place, same value we will write. Whereas if it's undercast meaning actual value is 1000, but by mistake we are writing a lesser value 100. If you are writing, then you have to see that opposite side you have to write. Say for example, if it's written that cash side, cash book, debit side of cash book is undercast by 100. That meaning in the opposite side you have to write 100. So this is the only thing you have to remember. The remaining format is same. Overcast meaning wherever it is mentioned. See, if it's debit side of cash book is overcast by 1000. Here itself you write 1000. If it's undercast, just the opposite. Debit side of cash book is undercast by 100. So you will write it in the credit side. So this is the only thing you have to do. Only thing you have to remember, and we are going to do two problems. So the first problem is prepare the bank reconciliation statement. So first one is bank overdraft as per cash book 40,000. Overdraft. Cash book balance is always here, but this is overdraft. So we are writing 40,000 here. 40,000. Now the second one is bill discounted dishonored 20,000. Bill sent to bank for collection, but it is dishonored. So you are writing 20,000 here. Now checks received entered twice, 2,500. So check received, by mistake they have entered again, once again. So here you will come 2,500. Now bank charges debited by bank 60 rupees. So here you will write 60. Now checks directly collected by the bank 10,000. So here it is not gone to the firm, it is directly collected by the bank 10,000. Checks issued returned back on account of insufficient balance 1,500. Checks issued for payment 1,500 returned back. So that meaning 1,500 in the cash book. Now you have to remember checks returned back but no entry was passed. So here checks returned back 2,000. So here it will come checks received by the firm returned back. So here is the entry. Check received is cash received. Now bank charges entered in the cash book twice. So here bank charges by mistake again one more time it is rendered in the cash book. So it will come here in the payment side. Now rent paid directly by the bank as per the standing instructions 2,500. So here payment in the passbook 2,500. Now you have to remember next one is credit side of the bank column cost short by 500. Bank column cost short. So bank column cost short. So that meaning opposite side you have to write. So here bank column. See the credit side of the bank column. Credit side is cost short. Cost short meaning opposite side you have to write. Overcast meaning same side you have to write. Undercast meaning opposite side. That is why we are writing in the opposite side. Now checks received but not sent to bank 5,000. So here it will come 5,000. 5,000. Now checks deposited directly in the bank account but no entry was made in the cash book. Checks deposited directly in the bank account. So this is 1,500. Only entry will be here. Now here you have to put the plus sign. This is minus and this is plus. So this is plus. That meaning how you calculate? 40,000. It's overdraft balance. 40,000 plus these values. 20,000 plus 2,500 plus 2,000 plus 500 plus 5,000. 5,000 plus 60 plus 2,500 minus 1,500 plus 50 plus 10,000 plus 1,500. So this total will be, value will be 59,510. 59,510. This will be the value. So this is one problem, 59,510. So this is overdraft balance, sign is minus and here it is plus. So with that 40,000, we are adding this side values and reducing this side values. Now we will do the second problem. Okay, the second problem we will do. So the second problem is, on 30th June 2001, a merchant compared his passbook with the cash book and found the following differences. First one is, check amounting to rupees 12,500 were paid on 27/6/2020, out of which checks of the value of 4,000 were credited in the passbook only on 4th July 2020. So that meaning, we are preparing the book for 30th June 2020, but 4,000 were credited only on 4th July 2020. So checks amounting to 12,500 were paid. 12,500 were paid. So 12,000. So checks amounting to rupees 12,500 were paid out of checks of the value of 4,000 were credited only in the passbook. So that meaning, so here it will come 4,000. 4,000. Next is, checks totaling 20,000 were issued in the month of June 2020, out of which checks of the value of 4,500 debited in the passbook only after 30th June 2020. So here 4,500 we have to write here, 4,500. Next is, bank charge rupees 100 as bank charges and the entry appeared only in the passbook. So here it will come 100. Next is, passbook also showed a credit of 250 as interest on government securities collected by the bank. So its income in the passbook 250. Now one customer paid 500 directly into bank account and it is recorded only in the passbook. So here it will come 500. Next is, bank column on the payment side of the cash book as found to be overcast by 5,000. Bank column on the payment side of the cash book. Cash book payment side, that is 5,000. Overcast meaning same side you have to write. So the 5,000 we are writing here. If it's undercast, you have to write it in the opposite side. Overcast is same side. Now interest on investments amounting to 1,000 collected by the bank appeared in the passbook. So here 1,000 rupees collected. 1,000 rupees. Now next is, bank credited 1,500 as insurance premium paid on behalf of the merchant as per standing instructions. Bank payment 1,500. Now, merchant's cash book balance disclosed debit balance of 37,895. So here it is the actual balance. The balance is 37,895. So this is the balance. Now the signs. Here it is plus sign, it's not overdraft. Last problem was overdraft. Here it is plus and here it is minus. So how you calculate? BRS value, passbook value as per 37,895 plus 4,500 plus 5,000 plus 250 plus 500 plus 1,000 minus these values. 4,000 plus 100 plus 1,500. That value is equal to, so the total value will be 43,545. So that will be the passbook balance. Passbook balance, credit balance of the passbook balance. So it's not overdraft. We are starting with the actual debit balance of the cash book. So passbook also, it's the actual credit balance. It's not overdraft. Last problem we worked out with the overdraft balance. So this is what I want to explain as the part 3 of the module of bank reconciliation statement. So this I am telling you that this is a simple method. You learn this method and subscribe to my channel. Give me the valuable feedback. See all the videos and get the maximum benefit out of this. This is a simple explanation. Everybody can do that. I told you when I was a student, I never used to learn this topic because I thought it's very difficult. Now, my student, I got the reverse learning from the student and I got this experience of doing this in a simple method. So this I am giving it to my students, my viewers. So they make the best use of that. So happy learning with Dr. Alice Mani. Thank you.